Hello YouTube, this is Tushrok Life and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about my M50 restoration. Basically this is the third part of the series, the M50 story. So I have spent almost an year to find the spares of the M50, but I was totally clueless. So one fine day I got a contact of a dealer who deals with Bajaj spares, and he had each and every spares that I wanted. So it was placed a week ago and now the spares are here. I will be unboxing the spares and I will be also sharing the spares list which I wanted. So here's the list of the spares that I wanted on my bike. You can pause the video and can take a screenshot. So these are the spares which I ordered. I will be unboxing all this. It's a huge package. So I have opened up the packing, and here what I see is a leg shield, this is the front leg shield. The quality seems nice. The quality is pretty good. These are the side covers. Let's put it aside. These are the side panels, side covers, and this is the part of the chassis. Basically this is the cover which hides the petrol tank, and good, that's good. This is the pillion seat. I'll unbox this later. And now there's a box, so let's unbox the seat first. So let's unbox this box as well. Eager to see how the meter looks. These are some loose spares. Let's see what it is. Springs, gears, chain adjuster, and these are the shock absorber bush, front shock absorber bush. This is the logo set, monogram set. Some rubber parts. I don't know what it is. Is this a pressure plate? Yeah, it seems it is a pressure plate. And nah, Yeah, this is the clutch plate, this is the pressure plate. Let's dig inside deeper. What is this? Is this axle? I don't know what it is. Let me check. This is the light control switch, headlight switch, horn switch, upper dipper. This seems, yeah, this is the ignition switch, lock switch. I don't know what it is. Need to check with the spare part list. The bearings. Nah, this is not a bearing. Again, I need to check what's this. The 6-volt horn and the point set, and this is the CB points, and this is the condenser. This is the first item. This is the air filter box. The one which I had was slightly different. Maybe they have improved the design. This is the wiring harness of M50. Pegs. Some more rubber parts. These are the sprocket rubbers which go inside the drum of the rear wheel. This is the transformer. Capacitor. This is the, I think this must be the headlight bulb. Six feet 25 watt. This must be the tail light bulb, I guess. Let's check. No, this is the headlight bulb. You can see the upper and dipper. Yeah. And this is the petrol tank cap lock. I like such kind of tank cap. Such type of cap is also present on the Hero Honda CD100. I like it. These are the keys. What it reads is PAVHA power. And this is the M50 meter cable. These are the, I think this is the FB cable. These are the control cables basically. Look, just look at the quality.